So ito nga pala yung product specialist natin, si William. So William, marami ka shinare about sa warranty. Ano ba ang highlights ng warranty ng Asus na wala sa ibang brands?
Basically, marami talaga kung i-compare natin with a normal competitor, right? But siguro ang may highlight natin is, for me, na bilang normal na consumer, napaka-helpful para sa akin nun na ginawa nilang 2 years na international yung warranty natin. And then at the same time, for a normal consumer na accidentally masisira yung laptop, they don't need to like purchase another warranty extension because hindi naman natin ibo-void. At the same time, tutulungan pa natin si customer because of the 80% parts replacement support and 100% warranty labor support.
You also mentioned that they could actually extend their warranty kahit malapit na ma-expire ang warranty nila, right?
Yes, actually that's correct. Tinanggal natin yung limitation na 90, 60, or 120 days. As long as may warranty yung produkto natin, they can freely extend the warranty. Just purchase it sa My Asus application or dun sa mga participating stores natin.
So guys, narinig niyo yung sinabi ni Sir William tungkol sa premium warranty ni Asus. So in case that you're interested buying Asus products, meron tayo niyan sa Laptop Factory.